Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets in electronics. Today, we're diving into the world of portable audio with what I consider to be the best iPod speakers on the market. Introducing the Mini Speaker with 3.5mm Aux Input Jack by Milcraft. This little powerhouse delivers big sound in a compact package, making it the perfect companion for your iPod, iPhone, iPad, or any other device with a 3.5mm audio jack. What sets this speaker apart? Let's break it down. First off, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply plug the 3.5mm aux jack into your device and you're ready to rock out to your favorite tunes. No complicated setup or Bluetooth pairing required. But don't let its small size fool you. Despite being smaller than a credit card, this speaker packs a punch with its 3W output and clear bass. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or playing games, you'll experience rich, immersive sound quality. And the best part? It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPods, iPhones, iPads, MP3 players, laptops, MacBooks, Samsung devices, and even PCs. Plus, with its USB rechargeable battery, you can enjoy over 10 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. Milcraft stands behind their product with a generous 2-year manufacturer warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. And don't just take my word for it, with over 465 ratings and an average of 4.1 stars. Customers rave about the sound quality, compact size, and value for money. So, if you're in the market for the ultimate iPod speaker, look no further than the Mini Speaker with 3.5mm Aux Input Jack by Milcraft. It's portable, powerful, and perfect for music lovers of all ages. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy listening.